Good evening to all. In our last lecture, we have studied about the reactions of halogens, that is, reaction of halogens with metals. So, here this was the first reaction. This is reaction of halogens with metals. Now we have to see the electrophilic substitution reaction of halogens. Okay, so what here aryl halides show the low reactivity toward the nucleophilic substitution reaction. The low reactivity of aryl halide is due to the resonance effect and sp2 hybrid state of carbon. Okay, here the reactivity towards nucleophile substitution reaction is low because of the resonance effect and the sp2 hybrid orbitals. First of all, one of the lone pair of electron on the halogen atom in the conjugation with pi electrons. Okay, so here, for example, in the following different resonance structure of chlorobenzene. First of all, here is the structure of chlorobenzene. Here we see these electrons of chlorine atom, it's shifted toward on this side, okay, and can form this structure in which chlorine has double bond, and here negative, here one bond is shifted towards here, and negative charge is placed here. Again, in another structure, here this negative charge shifted toward here at the meta position. Okay, here is stability can't maintain, then again this negative charge can be shifted toward this side and can form this structure. From these three structure, here chlorine atom contains double bond, but here in the fourth picture, what happened here, this negative charge can be shifted here and can form a bond with in another stage. Okay, here first of all, in this stage, what happened, this negative charge can be shifted here and this bond can shifted this bond can make the positive charge to the chloride atom or chlorine atom. Okay, in the next structure, one of these stable structure is formed. So the resonance structure 2, 3 and 4 shows the double bond character of carbon chloride bond. Here student, this three structure showing double bond to the carbon chloride bond. Thus the carbon chloride bond in the chlorobenzene is stronger and shorter than the chloroalkane molecule. Carbon chloride bond length is in the chlorobenzene is 169 pm as compared to CCl bond length in alkyl chloride is 178. Here student, in the chlorobenzene, this carbon chlorine bond length is more or less as compared to carbon chloride bond length in alkyl chloride. Hence, it is difficult to break. Okay, in case of CCl bond means carbon chloride bond in alkyl chloride means when it is in the chain form, here this bond length is larger than the chloroalkane molecule. Chlorobenzene molecule means it's a arene form. So here the bond length is very lesser and so it is difficult to break the bond. Okay, phenyl cation introduced due to self ionization of the haloarenes will not be stabilized by resonance, which ruled out the possibility of SN1's mechanism. Backside attack of the nucleophile is blocked by the aromatic ring, which is not ruled out the SN2 mechanism. Here, student, due to the less bond length or the stronger intermolecular forces in the bond, that means it can't be stabilized by resonance, and haloarenes will not be stabilized by resonance, and which rules out the possibility of SN1 reaction, as well as if we take the backside attack of nucleophile, which is blocked by the aromatic ring, and so that SN2 mechanism is also blocked by this aromatic ring. So here, nucleophilic substitution reaction involving the cleavage of CX bond in the haloarenes proceed with difficulty. However, the presence of certain groups, certain position of the ring markedly active the halogen of aryl halide toward the substitution. For example, presence of electron withdrawing group at the ortho and para position greatly increases the reactivity of haloarenes toward the substitution of the halogen atom. Greater the number of electron withdrawing group at the ortho or para position, greater is the reactivity. Electron withdrawing groups or at the meta position has practically no effect on the reactivity. So here, student, SN1 reaction or SN2 reaction has very low reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction of the haloarenes, so that particularly this reaction, in this reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction involving cleavage of CX bond, मीन्स कार्बन और हलाइड में जो बॉन्ड होता है उसका क्या होता है, ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है, और इसमें जो ब्रेक डाउन होता है उसमें उसको सेपरेट करना क्या होता है, वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. सो दैट अगर सर्टन ग्रुप्स है सर्टन पोजीशन पे प्रेजेंट या फिर रिंग में प्रेजेंट है, जैसे कि मार्कली एक्टिव हैलोजन है, या फिर इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है ऑर्थो या फिर मेटा पोजीशन पे, तो ऐसे वक्त में क्या होता है कि रिएक्टिविटी का जो रेट होता है वो थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हो जाता है टुवर्ड द सब्सटीट्यूशन ऑफ द हैलोजन एटम. सो greater the number of electron withdrawing group at ortho or para position, then greater is the reactivity. अगर मान लो मेटा पोजीशन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप अगर प्रेजेंट है, तो ऐसे वक्त में जो रिएक्टिविटी है इस पर कोई भी असर नहीं होगा. ओके, हियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द para nitrobenzene. First of all, para position is this is the para position where NO2 is attached. So here, student, in the presence of NaOH and 499 Kelvin degrees Celsius, what will happen here? This halogen is replaced by this OH group. NaOH में जो OH ग्रुप है उसके साथ में ये क्या हो रहा है, रिप्लेस हो रहा है. NaCl प्लस यहाँ पे प्लस क्या रिमेनिंग पार्ट रहेगा, Na, यहाँ पे क्या रिमेनिंग पार्ट आएगा, मतलब इसका जो भी कोई ये है NaCl. ओके, NaCl यहाँ पे रहेगा रिमेनिंग, और यहाँ का जो Cl है वो निकल जाएगा Na के साथ में, और ये NaOH में का OH यहाँ पर अटैच हो जाएगा. ओके, हियर इज द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. ये पैरा पोजिशन पे है. देन इट इज़ इन ऑन द ऑर्थो पोजिशन एंड पैरा पोजिशन. यहाँ पे भी वही हो रहा है, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन हो रही है. Cl रिप्लेस हो रहा है किसके साथ में, OH के साथ में क्या हो रहा है, रिप्लेस हो रहा है. एंड 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene on the nucleophilic substitution reaction can form the dinitrophenol. Okay, this is the dinitrophenol. Then again in third one reaction, 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene Here uh, with H2O, with the presence of H2O and heat, it can form 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Here this Cl group can be replaced by this OH group, okay, and can form the trinitrophenol. So first of all, we have to note down that nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes, in which the reactivity is very low toward the uh, sorry, it has low reactivity toward the nucleophilic substitution of haloarenes, okay.